Between the numerous image leaks and Huawei's teasing launch event invite, we expect the Huawei P20 camera to feature heavily during its unveiling and subsequent marketing campaigns. The biggest potential news hinted at are a trio of lenses on the back of the phone, with the use of 3 circles on the event invite following the OA moniker used around the Huawei P9 and P10 launches. The invite also hints that the camera will use AI, perhaps giving it additional processing power. That could be a big feature of the camera, as AI of some kind has since been teased again. Elsewhere, we've heard that the Leica partnership is set to continue and there will be some big changes to both the front and rear snappers. Images from a digital artist that works with Huawei, and spotted by @evlex, further suggest the P20, or more likely now, the Huawei P20 Pro, is set to come with 3 lenses on the rear camera for the first time, and one of those may be as high as 40 MP. That also looks like it will be capable of 5x hybrid zoom. Is the next Huawei P series going to be an imaging powerhouse? A digital artist at one of the company's creative agencies added these PCE series ads to their portfolio, claiming 40 MP, 3-lens rear, 5x hybrid zoom, plus 24 MP selfie, all Leica co-developed. The leak also suggests the front camera will be a 24 MP sensor, which would be a big upgrade over the 8 MP one on the Huawei P10. The Huawei P20 Lite meanwhile is rumored to have a 16 MP dual-lens camera with hybrid zoom capabilities. Would you like to see some photo samples from the upcoming Huawei P20? Of course you would, so check out the snaps above, which have recently trickled out online. Looks like the camera will once again be the focus, of attention when the P20 gets unveiled.